Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a look at the if function. So stay tuned. Today we're going to have a quick look at the if function. It's a small, very powerful formula within Excel. But to find your formulas, you can click on here and it will give you the formula. We're looking at the if formula. It gives you a little breakdown here of what the formula does and how to do it. And you can also on it and say okay, and it'll help make it easier for you to choose or to set up the formula. So there's three parts to this. The first part is a logical test. In other words, something either equal to or not equal, or whatever parameter you manage to set up inside, would like to set up, you can use that. So today, cancel out up here. Today we're going to answer a very simple little maths question. And we're going to make it a little bit interactive. The question is, what is 5 plus 6? We're going to put the answer in B. Put a border around there. We can see where it is. And we're going to give the person who's answering this question a little bit of feedback. To do that, we're going to use the if function. But to start the if function, we're going to put equals. We're going to type if. We're going to bring it up there. You can either open a bracket or you can push tab. Now it sets it up. And below here, it gives you what you need to do. So you need to look at the logical test. So the logical test is going to involve that one. You can just click on it, it'll highlight it. And that correct answer there is 11. So we can say if that is equal to 11, what happens if it's equal to 11? We're going to say, well done. Because it's the correct answer. And if it's not 11, we can say, try again. And then we close the brackets. Here's the formula again. We have logical test, which is B2 equal to 11. That is true, it will say, well done. However, to do put words, or you want to return what they call a string, you need to put it in these little quotation marks. And the same, if it's not correct, it's going to come back and it's going to say, try again. So we can enter out of there, and now it's giving us try again. Mostly because there's no answer entered. But if we do put an 11 in there, we now get well done. But we can give a lot more feedback to the person answering the question. That's if we start to nest or put an if function within an if function. This is when it becomes really powerful. You can have multiple outcomes with a similar type of thing. So let's go and have a look at it. The first issue is, and there's nothing typed in this block, it gives us an answer of try again. We don't want to say that. We want to tell them to put the answer, where to put the answer. Let's go back to our if function. We're going to say if B2 equal to a blank, and that's how you denote a blank, and say enter answer in B2. So, and if it's not blank, if it's equal to blank, you're going to enter an answer in. If it's not blank, you're going to start with the other formula where if it's 11, it's a correct. Let's give a little hints when we answer this. Let's say another if function here. If B2, we can use less than 11. We can now say 2 low. Just a little hint to give them an idea that they're going in the right direction. And then we can put another if function in, if E2 greater than. We can say too high. I think we've exhausted all the different parameters here, and we shouldn't get anything if it's. So I'm just going to put that if this one, if it's false, it's going to return a blank. Now we need to close off all the parentheses or brackets for the different ifs. So we've got the first one, so that's. And now we have all our brackets closed off. Now if we push enter, we have enter the answer in Boo2. So we've got an instruction. We put 8 in there. Oh, that answer's too low. Let's start guessing. Let's go for 14. No, now that's too high. Correct answer, 11. Thank you for taking the time and looking at this very powerful little formula called the if function. And if you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you made a small donation so I can continue making these videos. The link is in the comment section below, and it's through PayPal. Thank you very much and enjoy. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.